Okay, this is the GXC lr1801. Upgraded it to brushless. As you can see here, I upgraded it to brushless from Flyrence brand. I got it from AliExpress. It was a 1212 3500 kV brushless model, if I'm not mistaken. And it comes with combo with the ESC. Uh, I'm using the FCX 24 and 18 FCX 18 transmission with the dual speed. I'm using the hotrc F06A receiver paired with the transmitter here. Um, a 9G servo upgraded. Um, all shocks 40 all shocks. A brass wheel with 63 tires. Also, I upgraded it to Portal Axle, which comes with the servo mount also on the back. I haven't tested yet on the trail, but there will be in the next video. So it's compatible with 2S batteries, and that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, I have to done quite a bit of modification on the chassis. I have to cut a big chunk of plastic here just so that I can make space for the servo. And also I'm using the FCX 24 links. The lower links it's good, yeah, you can mount it just like that, but the upper link you have to add some bracket like I did here, this one, just so that it can be mounted, because the plastic chassis didn't have the enough meat, I would say, to mount the screw. So I have to add a bracket here on the front and on the back. So that's pretty much it. um, Gonna see how it runs on the trail on the next video. Thank you.